Hey there, folks. Welcome back. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, a product that claims to help you melt away those stubborn 35 pounds of weight. It's called Cerolin, and we're going to dive deep into its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. But before we get into all the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews on amazing products like Cerolin. So, what exactly is Cerolin? It's a groundbreaking weight loss supplement that's been making waves in the fitness and wellness community. Let's explore how it works. Check out these incredible before and after pictures from Cerolin users who claim to have shed those 35 pounds with ease. Now, let's talk science. Cerolin's unique formula is designed to target fat cells and accelerate your metabolism. Some of the benefits include rapid weight loss, increased energy, and improved mood. Finally, let's talk about the price and where you can get your hands on Cerolin. Cerolin is available in different packages, with discounts for bulk purchases. You can find it on their official website, and we've provided a link in the video description for your convenience. In conclusion, Cerolin appears to be a promising solution for those looking to shed 35 pounds and achieve their weight loss goals, and it's essential to combine it with a healthy diet and exercise.